Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a tool which is developed by Google, which is called as Jules, Jules.google. If you just type on Google, Jules Google, the very Jules Google AI, it's an asynchronous coding agent, and it's similar to Claude and Chat GPT. Basically, it's useful for programming. This is their page here. It's in beta phase. You can simply try this tool, and after clicking on try you simply accept the terms and conditions, and then you will be redirected to this page right here, and here you can connect your GitHub account. So what I can do, I have this GitHub account right here, so just click try tools, and once you do this, accept. So just connect your GitHub account, and after you click on authorize. So once you do this, your application will be authorized. Simply install, and here you just need to enter the password. So after that, now you're successfully authenticated with GitHub. You can close this window. So now it will fetch all your repositories which are there on GitHub, and it will try to help it using your code. So the daily limit is 60 tasks you can perform. The daily task limit is 60 for now at the time of recording this video. So now it is just training Google about all the repositories that you have, and then it will be able to track any sort of bugs or small feature request or other software engineering task with direct export to GitHub. It's a great tool by Google, and you should definitely try this. And once it do this, it will automatically, you can select any kind of repository that you have. So you can basically make a task here. So just write a detailed documentation for this project and update the repo. So you can basically write a detailed documentation and then click give me a plan. So now it will just allow the to show notifications. So it is booting up the virtual machine, and so just wait for some time. So you created up the task. Now it is cloning that GitHub repo, and it is creating a README file. So now it is working upon that. So it will basically contain a detailed explanation of the project. So it's a great tool. You can definitely use it on your GitHub repos to create documentations to catch some kind of bugs. So now it created this documentation for my repo. I can simply say publish branch. So once I do this, automatically my GitHub will be updated. And now you can view your branch. And if I show you, it created this nice little documentation, as you can see, automatically. So in this easy way, you can also do this. It added this README file inside my GitHub repo, as you can see. So it's a great tool by Google, guys, which is Google Jules AI, which will automatically perform this to you. You select your GitHub repo, and after that it will do this. And now if you want to create a new task, you click the plus icon, and then after that you simply select any sort of GitHub repo, or you can even add a new repo as well by clicking the add repo button as well. So what I can do, I can basically uh, just make a new image to PDF web app, and push a new GitHub repo to my account. So in this easy way as well, you can also do this. So it will try to make a new GitHub repo. You basically started a new task. So now the daily task limit is 2. So now 60 is more than enough. In the free plan, you can make up to 60 tasks. So definitely try out this tool, guys, which is by Google. So thank you very much for watching this video. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.